Myself, Sai Krishna. Now I am going to discuss about the miscellaneous strings in a function. First, the definition of string. String in Python are surrounded by either single quote or double quotes. Here, let's see hello, which is surrounded by single quote. It's same as hello, which is surrounded by double quotes. You can display a string literal with the print function. Here is the example. Print single quote of hello or print double quote of hello will print the same as hello. Let's see the miscellaneous string functions. Is alum means Python string is alum function returns true if made of alphanumerical characters only. Means here either it is alphabets or numbers, it will give true when we execute the program. Like if we take an s equals to string, s dot is alum. If we print that one, it will give true if it contains alphabets or numerical. Here the second one is alpha. Means when we take a function, it will when we take a function string, it will give true if only it contains alphabets. Other than alphabets, it will give false. Let's see. Python string is alpha function returns true if all characters in the string are alphabets, otherwise false. Let's see the title. Python string title function returns true title cased version of the string. Means if the starting letter in the string is true, means it's capital, then it will give true. Is digit. Python string digit function returns true if all the characters in the string are digits, otherwise false. Let's take a string s equals to 1 to 3. If we print s dot is digit, then it will give true. If it does not contain digits, then it gives false. Let's see another example. Is alpha or is lower. Is lower gives true if all the characters in the string are small letters, otherwise it will give false letters. Is numerical. Python string is numerical function returns true if all the characters in the string are numerical, otherwise false. If the string is empty, then function returns false. Is only the numbers should be in the string. Other than numbers, it will give the false. Let's see is space. Python string is space function returns true if there are only white space characters in the string. Other than it returns false. Then here it is the main function. Means in string it contains only spaces. Other than spaces like number, character, anything, it will give false. Is title. Is title means here the first character in a word or a first letter in the word is capital, then it will give true. Other than it will give false. Is upper. Python string is upper returns true if all the case characters are is uppercase. Means all the characters in the string are capital letters, then only it will give true. Otherwise, it will give false. Next, swap case. Python string swap case function returns a new string with uppercase characters converted into lowercase and vice versa. Here, the swap case is used to convert the alphabets, capital alphabets into small alphabets and small alphabets into capital alphabets. Let's see some of the examples. S equals to hello world 2019. Print s dot is unknown. Means in the string it contains hello world is a alphabets and 2019 is a number. So it will give true. So let's take another example. S equals to hello. Print s dot is alpha. It gives true because s dot is alpha. S is a character which contains only alphabets. Let's take another example. A Python is good. Print s dot title. Here the title means the first character of the string should be in capital letter. So it will give the output as P as capital, I as capital, and G as capital. Python is good. Next, take another string. S equals to 10.55. Print s dot is digit. It will give true only when the digit is only integer. For the float value, it does not give true, so it's false. Let's take another one. S equals to ABC is print s dot is lower. Is lower indicates the string should be in small letters, means small alphabets. Here the S character is small letters of ABC, so it will print true. Let's take another example. Here S equals to 2019. Print S dot is numerical. Output is true because the string contains only the numericals. Here 2019 is a numerical. Let's take another example. S equals to space. Means S equals to the string is taken only space. Print S dot is space. The string contains only space. So it gives to other than space means it will give false. Let's take another example. Print S dot is space. Here is output 2. Here S is slash t slash n slash of or slash of t. By default, these are taken as spaces by the system. Only these. Other than if we not given the slash, then it will not take as sample space. Let's take another one. String slash of u 0009 slash t slash u 2008 slash u slash yeah 3000 print s dot is space. I have already said in above example. Here, these are the spaces which by default the system will take. Let's take another example. Here, S is a big S. Here, string is taken a big cat. Print S dot is title because just in the string every word is starts with a capital letter. By if yeah, it indicates that it is title means the title should starts with capital letter, so it will true. S equals to hello world, which is written in bold letters. Print S dot is upper. S dot is upper indicates that all the up letters in the string should be bold. It means capital words. The output is true. Let's take another example. S equals to hello. S dot swap case. Here the hello is written in small alphabets, then it converts into the capital. The function that is done by swap case. Next, take another one in that S equals to hello, which is taken in bold letter. Print S dot swap case. Swap case converts the capital letters into small letters. Now let's see some of the examples by executing. Let's take a string S equals to S123. Then we are printing print S dot is all. It's given true because is all. All means alphabets and the means numbers which are there in the given string. Let's take again we print P or print S dot is alpha. When we execute, it's getting an error. Let's take a because of some. When we print, let's take another example. S equals to hello. We are printing print S dot is alpha. It's getting true because in the string S only there are alphabets, no numbers. Let's print S dot is all. Let's see. It's getting true because is all alphabets are there in this string. Let's take another one. Print title. Stop title. It gives hello. Means here the title means it's made the first character in the word as capital. Let's take another one. Print s dot digit. It's gives string objects as no attribute to x because here the string has characters but no digits means integers, so it will give an error. Let's take another one. A equals to 2.6. Let's print a dot is digit. Here we getting the false because the integers are there in the string. Let's take another one. A equals to BCB. Then print S dot is lower. S dot is lower. True. Because the alphabets in the S are lower, above which we have taken first example. Let's print A dot is lower. We get it true because the alphabets in the A are small letters. Let's take another one. C equals to ACD. Print C dot is upper. It's good true because the alphabets in the string C has only capital F. When we print C dot is lower, it will give false because of the alphabets in the C has only capital but no small letters. Let's take another one. C equals to 1, 2, 3. Print C dot is numerical. Will give true because of which are there in the C are numerical words. S equals to space. Print S dot is space. Here too, because the string S characters are only spaces. Here let's take another example. S equals to S equals to a big bag. Here print S dot is title. We are getting true because of here the letter A is in capital, B is in capital, and another B is in capital. That the first character in any word is starts with a capital letter, then it will give true. Let's take another example. S equals to hello. When we are printing, S dot is upper. Here we are getting true because every alphabet in the string S have only upper cases. Here let's take another one. S equals to hello. Here we are print S dot swap case. Here swap case used to convert all the small letter characters into big and the big one into small. When we print S equals to hello, S dot swap case. Here we are getting string object as no swap case. Here S equals to hello world print S dot swap case. It will convert all the capital letters into small letters. Let's take another one. C equals to hello print C dot swap case. Let's see the output. Here the H is capital and ELLO are small. Then by using swap case, we are converting H into small and ELLO into capital letters. By this, I conclude that we know about these miscellaneous functions in this string. By this, I conclude that we have learned about the miscellaneous string functions in Python. Then I will end this session by this. Thank you.